Welcome students. This is Social Science class 7th standard History lesson number 2 Bahmani Adil Shahs. Today let us discuss about introduction about Bahmani Adil Shah lesson. In the history of Karnataka, Vijayanagar Empire was established in 1336 CE. Later on, 3rd August 1947 CE, the first Muslim dynasty came into existence, that is Bahmani Empire. The founder of Bahmani Empire is Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahman Shah. Battles were taking place continuously between Bahmani Sultans and Vijayanagar kings for the expansion of their empire. Here, inner conflicts also rose in the dynasty, and by 1527 CE, 5 Shah dynasties came into existence. So, Bahmani Sultans and Vijayanagar kings are having continuous conflict for the expansion of their empire, and in 1527 CE, 5 Shah dynasty came into existence. Among them, Adil Shahis of Vijaypura were prominent king. So in this lesson, the main important achievements of sultanates of these dynasties are discussed. Bahmani Sultans also gave prominence to literature, art and sculpture. So these are the points you have to know under this lesson. Afterwards, you have to know the achievements of Sultan Firoz Shah and famous Prime Minister Muhammad Gawan are discussed in this lesson. With this, Bahmani Sultans' significant contributions are also discussed in this lesson. Now, let us discuss what are the important points which are included under this lesson. First contribution, you have to know about Firoz Shah and Muhammad Gawan. Second important contributions in the field of literature, art and sculpture by Bahmani Sultans. Third one, the important places of Bahmani Sultans on map. Fourth point, you have to know the important sultans among Vijaypura Adil Shahs. Fifth one, you have to know about art, literature and sculpture of this period. So these are the main important points you have to remember under this lesson. This is a map of Bahmani kingdom, and the yellow color wherever they have marked, it is one of the important rule of Bahmani Sultans, and the important capitals are located here. First they made the important Kalaburgi and later on the Bidar as their important capitals which are located in this map. So these are the important places where they have ruled and established their important administrations. Bahmani Adil Shah kingdom established in 1337 CE. The founder of Bahmani dynasty is Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahman Shah. Alauddin was working in the army of Delhi Sultanate Muhammad bin Tughlaq period. Bahmani Sultans ruled from 1347 to 1527 CE. States which are present Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, that is Telangana, they ruled and established their empire. First they made Kalaburgi as their capital. Later they made Bidar as a capital, and they ruled in the northern part of Krishna river. The famous great sultan of this empire is Tajuddin Firoz Shah. Let us discuss about Tajuddin Firoz Shah. Tajuddin Firoz Shah ruled from 1397 to 1422 CE. Tajuddin was very liberal, judicious and a believer of God. He made the copies of Quran and he was a great writer and also encouraged all languages in his kingdom. And he is also expert in geometry and study about different gods called as theology. He established a capital called as Kalaburgi Tajuddin built a new city called as Firozabad on the bank of Bhima river. Tajuddin also gifted many villages to Sufi saint. Bande Nawaz was one of the famous Sufi saints belonged to his period and he visited in his kingdom. Tajuddin made the development of ports and encouraged foreign trade also. So with all these contributions, we can understand that Tajuddin was a famous king and a great important writer, philosopher in the Bahmani dynasty. Muhammad Gawan ruled from 1463 to 1481 CE. Muhammad Gawan came from Persia and worked very honestly as a prime minister under the leadership of Muhammad Shah III period. So Muhammad Shah III was a Sultanate and Muhammad Gawan was appointed as a prime minister under him. The prominent Bahmani sultans are as follows. The famous founder of this dynasty is Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahman Shah. Second ruler Firoz Shah. Third Ahmad Shah. Fourth Muhammad Shah III. Muhammad Gawan's contributions. Muhammad Gawan captured Hubballi, Belagavi, Goa from Vijayanagar Empire. So he is a great conqueror and expanded Muhammad Shah III empire and a good administrator also in the Islamic laws. He encouraged revenue and postal services. Muhammad Gawan fixed taxes on the basis of land's fertility. He also encouraged irrigational facilities and he collected taxes in cash. Muhammad Gawan removed some taxes which are annoying the people. Muhammad Gawan was a great philosopher and founded Madrasa University in Bidar, and Muhammad Gawan encouraged Islamic religious, legal education, astronomy and mathematics. History also studied here in madrasas. Educational improvement, hostel facilities were provided. Around 3000 manuscripts were in library of madrasa. After knowing about great achievements of Muhammad Gawan, some regional leaders became jealous of Gawan's fame and conspired to have him murdered. Like this, on the Gawan's tomb, it is written that innocent Gawan was killed. Like this, today we have discussed about the role of Muhammad Gawan and Bahmani Kingdom's contribution in the field of literature and in the field of sculpture. The next point you have to know about the Adil Shah of Vijaypur or Bijapur ruled from 1489 to 1686 CE. So in that period of time, there are different important rulers. They ruled over the empire. Among them, one, Yusuf Adil Khan ruled from 1489 to 1510 CE. Second, Ismail Adil Khan ruled from 1510 to 1534 CE. Third one, Ibrahim Adil Shah ruled from 1535 to 1558 CE. Fourth, Ali Adil Shah first ruled from 1558 to 1580. Fifth, Ibrahim Adil Shah II ruled from 1580 to 1626 CE. Sixth, Muhammad Adil Shah ruled from 1626 to 1656 CE. 7. Ali Adil Shah II ruled from 1656 to 1672 CE. 8th ruler Sikandar Adil Shah ruled from 1672 to 1686 CE. Bahmani Kingdom split into 5 states of Shahi Empire. First one, Adil Shah of Vijaypur or Bijapur. Second ruler, Baris Shah of Bidar. Third ruler, Qutub Shah of Golconda. Fourth one, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. Fifth one, Imad Shah of Berar. So these are the 5 states of Shahi Empire. Next famous ruler is Yusuf Adil Shah, was the founder of this dynasty Adil Shah dynasty. So who is the founder of Adil Shah dynasty? Yusuf Adil Shah. And he made Vijaypur as his capital. So he ruled in Vijaypur. Yusuf was a good administrator and he is also tolerant towards other religions. So he is encouraging all other religions also in his kingdom. The next famous ruler we have discussed about Ibrahim Adil Shah II, ruled from 1580 to 1626 CE. He was the second great king among the other sultans. In his period of time, kingdom was expanded and became rich. King also struggled very well for the improvement of his kingdom. Because of that, he got the title called as Jagat Guru Badshah. He is also tolerant towards other religions. He sheltered many Hindu philosophers, poets, musicians in his court. So all Hindu philosophers, poets and musicians were adored in the court of Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Ibrahim also renovated Datta temple in his fort. He encouraged puja rituals. He worked cultural harmony of Hindu-Muslim. He wrote a book called as Kitab-e-Navras and make music a great popular among Muslims. Different Hindu gods like Ganapati, Saraswati, Bhairava and others were worshipped in his period of time. So on this basis we can say that Ibrahim was a famous ruler. Ibrahim Adil Shah II was a great musician also. Ibrahim Roza, famous architecture was built by Ibrahim. The next point we have discussed, Baris Shah of Bidar ruled from 1489 to 1619 CE. Kazim Barrit was the founder of this dynasty. Qutub Shah of Golconda ruled from 1512 to 1687 CE. Wali Qutub Shah was the founder of this dynasty and he made Golconda state as his capital. Nizam Shah Ahmednagar ruled from 1490 to 1636 CE. Malik Ahmad was the founder of this dynasty. Next famous ruler, Imad Shah of Berar ruled from 1490 to 1580 CE. Founder of this dynasty is Fatullah. During the reign of 200 years, Adil Shah's contribution was more in the field of education. He was a lover of education and the educational center or Mukta called as mosque and madrasa college were established as educational institutions to encourage education and Islamic culture in this kingdom. So these are the main points you have to know about this dynasty. First great contributions we have discussed about literature. In the field of literature, they encouraged Persian, Arabic, Urdu and Kannada languages in their writings. They also encouraged music. Yusuf Ali Adil Shah and Ibrahim Adil Shah II gave a great contribution in the field of music. In the field of fine arts, Ibrahim II became more popular and they took the concept of painting of flowers, plants, nature scenes on houses and walls of mosques and floors. So natural scenes are painted on their buildings. In the field of art and sculpture, their contribution was great. They encouraged forts. Fort of Bijapur is a big one. It had 96 bastions, that is dome on fort, and they are famous for construction of palaces. Example, Gagan Mahal, Mehtar Mahal are the great contributions in the field of art, sculpture and palaces. Let us discuss about chronological period. C means common era. First one, the reign of Bahmani kingdom established 1347 to 1527 CE. Second one, establishment of madrasa in Bida in 1461 CE. Third one, reign of Adil Shahs, 1489 to 1672 CE. Fourth, construction of Ibrahim Roza, 1626 CE. Construction of Gol Gumbaz, 1656 CE. The contribution of Adil Shahs in constructing mosque by artists, the famous one, Jama Masjid, Ibrahim Roza, Gol Gumbaz constructed in 1656 at Bijapur, and it is the second largest dome in the world and the first largest dome in India. And other important monuments of this period is Bara Kaman, Bade Kaman, Anand Mahal, Pupli Burus, Chand Baudi. In this way, they gave prominence to improve art and sculpture, constructing mosques and mahals in their period of time. With this point, we will conclude the explanation about Bahmani Adil Shah's lesson. Thank you, children.